To integrate your bot with Facebook Messenger, follow these steps. 1. Register your bot with the Bot Framework connector. This will provide you an app ID and app secret to connect your bot to channels. 2. Create a Facebook app for your bot. Go to the Facebook for Developers site and click Add a new app. Provide a name and email for your bot app. 3. Set the Facebook page to use for your bot. You can create a new page or use an existing page. This will be the page your users message to interact with your bot. 4. Generate a page access token for your Facebook page. Go to the Messenger settings page of your Facebook app and click Generate Token. 5. Subscribe your Facebook page to the Messages template. This enables structured message templates with buttons, images, etc. that you can use in your bot. 6. Connect your bot to Facebook Messenger channel. Go to the Channels section of your bot in the Azure portal. Click Add Channel and select Facebook Messenger. 7. Provide the app ID, app secret, page access token, and verify token from Facebook for your bot. The verify token is used by Facebook to verify your webhook. You can generate any random string as the verify token. 8. Review and enable the Facebook channel for your bot. This will register a webhook with Facebook for your bot and forward messages from your Facebook page to your bot. 9. Update your bot code to handle Facebook-specific payloads and send Facebook native responses. For example, using FB template messages, quick replies, attachments, etc. 10. Republish your bot and test it out by sending messages to your Facebook page. Your bot should respond with the appropriate messages. 11. Monitor your bot's conversations and metrics in the Facebook App Analytics portal. You can see details like people reached, messages sent, etc. That's the overall process for integrating your Microsoft Bot Framework bot with Facebook Messenger. Let me know if you have any other questions.